crib. It is Friday.
Severe weather in the form of extreme winter weather hit North Georgia on Friday, leaving behind snow, ice and treacherous road conditions. It was reported that as temperatures continued to fall overnight, sleet and refreezing on roads posed a significant danger heading into the weekend. North Georgia experienced snow, ice and dangerous road conditions due to the winter storm, with freezing rain and refreezing posing a significant risk. Forecasters warned of black ice and refreezing, and urged residents to stay off the roads if possible, as temperatures were expected to drop into the teens to low 20s Fahrenheit. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas have experienced extreme weather since last Friday.
Like, it's actually insane. I've never seen this much snow in Atlanta.
Good. Lord Jesus, do your work, God. It looks beautiful.
Yeah, this is the view from the front door of my crib. It is Friday, January 10th, 2025.
Like, we really got this snow, y'all.
I'm so happy.
We really got this snow for real.
Conditions are expected to improve on Saturday morning with rising temperatures and sunshine, but the cold temperatures will persist into Sunday morning. Although temperatures in metro Atlanta remain just above freezing Friday night, forecasters warned that ice remained on the roads, creating potentially dangerous driving conditions. Not only have the rainfall conditions mostly ended, forecasters also warned that icy conditions and strong winds will continue to pose challenges through Saturday.
Oh my gosh, you guys, we woke up to so much snow in Atlanta. Like, it's actually insane. I've never seen this much snow in Atlanta.
Yeah, this is the view from the front door of my crib. It is Friday, January 10th, 2025.
Y'all, I cannot believe it. Y'all, I've never been in snow. Like, I've been to
Good. Lord Jesus, do your work, God. It looks beautiful.